Alright, hi everyone. I just wanted to go over the market for today. I lost my take profit trader 25K account. I'm trying to buy the dip on NASDAQ because what I've been doing, I've been trying it out. Obviously, it's not worked because I haven't perfected it, but I have been going to the previous daily. So this would have been here. I go to the daily. And I'll go to the 4 hour, and I'll mark the 4 hour. Um, I actually didn't wait until this 4 hour chart candle closed. I should have waited, but you can see that I've been trying to see what the trend has been, and usually when it closes above the high, then that means it's going to be bullish. Obviously, we came above that high, but we didn't close above that high, and I didn't wait. And because I didn't wait, I kept trying to buy this dip. Look at the 5-day moving average. You try to buy this dip. So if we look at the 5-minute, I tried to buy where was it? Try to buy this. I missed this. I got this and I got out quick. And then I tried to buy here again in this area and I missed. It reversed down and I was in on 2 mini contracts, and that's $40 per point. And the points move very quickly on NASDAQ. I don't know if anybody's ever looked at the spread on NASDAQ, but it moves really quickly. So I got cooked. It came down, reversed on me because this is how many points? This is 845. Yeah, it's 20 points. $800. So that reversed on me and I lost it. And then if we look at the 65-minute chart, you can see that was the cross. It was bounced and then it crossed down below. This was the better, cleaner setup. This retest, we can see it better on the 30-minute. Yeah, this would have been a better retest. The retest here, 10 o'clock to the fade, because look at this. This is selling here. Usually, yeah, you can see that selling area there. You can see this started at 3 a.m. We rallied into it, and then it just took it down. That's what I should have been watching, but we paste this as a mistake, and we'll see this next time and to look at that. But going over the market, SPY held up above the SPY held the 5-day moving average. You can see it came down, it got bought, and moved up above, and it closed above the previous day high. So we're there right now. You can see QQQ is sitting just below the 5-day moving average. Let's see if there's any other good charts. They're looking good. Nice breakout on Microsoft off the 5-day moving average. This is one to keep an eye on. This. You want to see if you can get this reverse retest anywhere below here, anywhere below this resistance, because you want to see if this gets support, we could get a move up to this area. So you want to see if 391 is a support area because we completely broke through it. That's the buyers pushing through that resistance. Now you want to see that resistance flip as support and break on through. So you want to see it look like, how do I do those lines? I don't know how to do this. Okay. Yeah. Tesla, as I kept talking about the support, how many times they're going to continue to get tested. You can see how it's getting tested multiple times here on the 65-minute. It's below the 5-day moving average. The candles are getting really tight. This is a trend line, I think. Trend line there, and then the trend line here as well. So we'll see what's going to happen. They tried to buy it, and it came right down. So people are trying to buy this area, but it's not causing any move up yet. You're just seeing lower highs. Lower high from here, lower high from here, lower high from here. So every single one of these wicks just gets sold out. So we could be seeing the same thing that has happened to SpaceX, where it will break down from this support and then it will target this support. But you need to see a clean breakdown and a retest and then a breakdown. You don't want to be first, because usually what happens when that breakdown happens, you get a retest back up. So it will come down. It'll come down here. Hold on. Come down. And then after it comes down, it will retest the area because there's going to be people trying to buy the dip. And then you get the move down. That's what you want to see. You don't want to see it happen all at once. It could happen, but that's how you want to trade it if you do want to do it. Google. As I said yesterday, I posted Google. I said nice move above the 5-day moving average. You couldn't catch this entry unless you got it here. So throughout the day, it just came and it just rode up VWAP. Literally, it had to be so precise to get this entry. Like maybe you catch this consolidation right here, but it paid out really well. Really, really well. Was there an entry on a 2-minute? The 2-minute had an entry. You can see this kind of clean move up here. But yeah, that's perfect move up. Then you get the retest of VWAP, and then you just ride it up. And that's been perfect. I called that out. Hopefully someone was able to take that. But yeah, Google is making a nice move right up to the resistance, as I said. Apple is continuing its move up. Is this all-time highs? Yep, all-time highs. So Apple's at all-time highs right now, continuing on its move. The 5-day moving average seems to be strong. Every single dip below it gets bought. We had a consolidation here, and then it got bought. So all the dips below the 5-day moving average on Apple have been strong. Amazon as well. Amazon, I would say it's safe to say that you want to see this retest. Again, this is the same thing that I was talking about. You want to see this retested because of the strong move above it. Because after the breakout, you need to see a retest. Either going to be here or here. So those are the two that you want to see. Is Apple, Amazon, and Google have a lot of bullish strength right now. SpaceX, obviously I've been talking about it. Complete breakdown below the opening price, and it continues to sweep down. We don't know how far it's going to go. Everything will be true when we get around, I think it's let me see, SpaceX shares unlocked. SpaceX shares unlocked. AI. We want to see when will all the shares unlock. Or the dates. I think I have them somewhere. Hold on. Give me a minute. Stevie. I have it here. Is this it? QQQ. Oh, here it is. I found it. This is what I was talking about. So we won't know until here. Here is the big time when we'll know about the actual price of the stock. When all the shares are unlocked here, because right now all the major sellers haven't had the opportunity to sell. Anybody who had a big percentage, they're going to be coming up in December, and then at the end of June, Elon Musk will be seeing opportunities. So these are key days, all for SpaceX. Until then, it's in a downtrend. Until then, it is in a downtrend. The VIX continues to be crushed. So that's why you see this move on SPY. It continues to go. The VIX continues to be broken down. I can't see VIX making a move up, but the volatility is still very high. But VIX is on the move down. That's why you're seeing such a strong move on the S&P 500. You know, it's just correlated with each other. So it's ready. S&P is ready to break out. 100% is ready to break out soon. I don't know what news it's going to give to break out, but it's ready to break out soon. I think that's all I got for today. Let me see. Well, this kind of looks interesting, but no. Enbridge. Wow, this is still going. I thought this would have gone down by now. Oh, Disney trying to find a support here. Disney looking like some buyers are here. Disney, and keep an eye on this one. Disney looks like it's trying to find some buyers here. You can see these pops came down, got bought, came down, got bought. We got a pop, so this could be the real pop where it starts to move. Is this on higher volume? Volume high, 3,000. Yeah. Disney looks like it could start making a move. This is a good move here, but you need to see this resistance here. You need to see this act as support. You need to see it come down to here, and you need to see it supported. You need to see a move up. So that's what you want to see on Disney, because it looks like it's starting. It's gonna start to make a move because this is a higher low here, and that's what you want to see perfectly. What you got here? Uber's chopping around. Uber's chopping around the support here. That's support area on Uber. Yeah, but it's not ready to go yet. You can see how it got faded. Got faded here, and then this didn't lead to anything. But that's you want to see. Carvana looks all over the place. This resistance needs to get broken. So this, come on. This resistance needs to get broken. You need a strong move above it, and then a retest of it. So keep that on the watch list for a breakout. The breakout trade will be nice because once you get the breakout, you can see is a perfect example of how Google did. Google had the resistance. Hold on, where is it? Google had this resistance that it was testing. Once the breakout trade happened, that first candle, if you can see it, you can catch it, and then you just wait for the test on VWAP on either the 5-minute or the 2-minute chart. And you wait for that pullback to VWAP after you get that strong buying. And that came at 950, and then that's the move up. That is the move up. So that's what you would be looking for on Carvana. No, was it Carvana? Is that what I said? Yeah, that's what you want to look for on Carvana. That strong breakout of here, and you want to see continuation up. That's what you want to look for, because it could have the power to come all the way up to 75. But yeah, that's about it for today. I'll be trying to trade that another prop for an account next week. I'm not going to try and trade tomorrow and Friday because I work. It doesn't make sense. So Monday to Wednesday, I'll try and get some live trades. Okay, everybody. Hope you have a great night. Thank you.